What'd you have for breakfast, Cooper? What are you eating over there in your food maze?
Mama?
Yeah? Oh my gosh. You put the back together with the front.
Mm-hmm.
That is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Does it fly pretty good?
Oh my God!
What?
We need this now.
Oh man. This is going to be totally awesome. What was in your pizza this morning, Cooper?
Pickles. Sweet pickles.
Sweet pickles? No, not sweet pickles. Dill pickles.
Dill pickles.
In an egg pizza. Pretty
Whoa.
yummy. Whoa.
No,
What are
I
you
was
doing?
like this.
What are you doing, little birdie?
I was like this.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Yeah, you got a blanket there because your legs were cold?
Yeah. But I forgot to put them on.
There
Put them on.
you go.
Oh my God.
What?
Look what we're doing now.
Oh man, this is the big part, huh? Pretty awesome.
This looks, do you know what this looks like? A
What?
motorcycle.
Wow, it does. You're right. Oh.
That makes me cough.
And being a motorcycle makes you cough?
Yeah.
Yeah.